We're gonna be showing you how to get money fast. We're here with Billy Bob. Why'd you make that noise? Okay, let's go. So you're gonna need a backpack with 2 rockets that make you fly, a crowbar, and a grappler if you're bad. It doesn't need. And then you wanna come over here. You don't use the fireworks to go over there. We're gonna save them.
I said wait for me.
Bro. We gotta wait for Billy Bob here. Don't step on that mines, it kills you.
Nope.
I'm stating the obvious like a dummy.
I almost said the S word. I'm sorry, guys.
It's fun. Right, guys? No? Oh, okay.
Big, ugly, naked guy.
So you're gonna wanna go over here, then you wanna go back. You see this little void. You're behind the rocks now. This is probably gonna be tough. Oh, I didn't bring fireworks. I got one. I didn't bring fireworks.
I'll go buy more. Hang on.
Okay, we gotta
Wait here.
We wait for him, I guess. There he goes. So, that circle right there with those little vein lines, you want to go over there. It was over there, but they moved it. So you're gonna need 2 fireworks. That's why you need 2 fireworks or 1 to go down there. And then don't try to hit that little wall. So that leads you to the place with the blue crystals. You can either go through the mansion way, which is the hard way, use or do the Wi-Fi glitch, or just do this. This is the easiest way. And we just have to wait for Billy Bob over here. Also here, let me show you. If you're lost. So when you come over here, yeah, hey Billy Bob. So when you come over here,
I got stuck on the red light, green light guy.
Over here. Okay, run. Try not to get hit by this guy. Oh, you come over here! What do we do?
Oh, I'm a juker.
Leave. Okay. Drop the fireworks. I only need 1. Yo! These are where you need the 2 fireworks. If you fall, you can just quit your game. So head for that little orb down there.
Yo, I got on top.
Okay, I go to bottom. So he's gonna go to the top and break those orbs.
Taking damage.
You won't take damage if the heart doesn't see you.
Jesus, I'm almost dead.
Try not to die. Oh, he has to turn his game before I wouldn't recommend to get the red ones. They give lives. Well, don't do that mistake. Not want to lose your backpack at all. grappler.
Risk. Yo.
That was the max I could get. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I got the most I can get, but I lost my grappler.
You alive?
Are you coming?
I'm in the thing.
Okay, I'm going back to work. Okay, so after you got
Hold
your
on to it
bag,
for me.
after you got your bag, okay, after you got your bag full of blue orbs,
And I'm dead.
you have to wait for your friend, or just throw the backpack in, or just dip them out. It doesn't matter, and then you'll get lots of money. You can dupe these, but I wouldn't recommend. You can get banned from that. I think, I don't know. But if you dupe these, it gives more money. We have to wait for Billy Bob. I lost my grappler. Yeah, this guy's taking long, bro. I can pop my own balloon. Okay, so you can hear the crackling sound. Oh, you do not want to touch those. So you can either dip these out. I don't know if it gives more money or not, but like, you dip them out. Or just throw them in. You don't have to, but you can. Bro, hurry up!
I'm trying.
Yes, speed up part of the video.
I'm going to bottom compartment now.
Okay, so the max money you can make from this is probably like, if you got 2 friends, I don't know, like 10,000 maybe. I don't know. If
Never
you're
mind, I
lucky.
fell all the way down.
Are you in the parkour place?
Yes.
Okay, so he's coming right now. I'll show you guys what this looks like. I don't know if this will break, but I'll spare it. One upside down loop. Yo.
What?
listen. So do we dip them out or do we put them in? Which do you want to do?
For more money, dupe.
We're not duping. This is not the dupe video. Okay,
Alright, let's just dump it all in then.
You want to just dip them out?
I want to dump it.
You want to dip it? Like this?
Yes. I'll go on this compartment.
I'll go on the other side of that compartment.
Hey. Alright.
Okay. Wait, this one out. This one out. Okay, whatever. Just put it. Just sell it.
Oh, God.
Great. 4,000. 4,000 just from 2 bags. Bruh! You can't do that.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so if you
I'm
can
rich.
du-
I have
you,
103K.
you can either dupe them for more money, but like that could get you banned sometimes.
Should we show them how to dupe?
next video, guys. Maybe. Maybe I'll get banned. Maybe I
Fair.
won't. And that's the end, guys. Go away. Do your dance.
Peace.